Hey, I'm Chuck Zito. I'm here in Hicksville, New York at AutoMat, Customize and Restoration, your one-stop shop. You remember, 16 years ago I brought my 57 Chevy here to Beach from the East. They did an outrageous job. The interior was amazing. 10 years later, I brought my 68 Dodge Charger here, the mighty Mopar. They did the same thing. Outrageous job. Now, I'm here with my 1970 Chevelle Super Sport. And we're ready to do this car just as badass as the others. There's a little story that goes with this car. I sold this car 20 years ago to my friend Scotty. Then sold my motorcycle to my nephew, Anthony. 5 years later, they traded each other. 20 years later, I bought my car back. And it was originally a 396 automatic. I took it out and I put an LS6 454 with an M22 4-speed. It was just dynoed at 535 horsepower. And now AutoMat is ready to transform this car into another badass car. It's all gutted, waiting for a new interior. I'm sitting on a cushion. This used to be black interior. It's going to be all white pearl interior with a bright red rug. I'm here at your one-stop shop, AutoMat. Why? Because they're putting all new glass. New windshield, new rear glass, power windows, power door locks, and they just finished a whole customized Flowmaster exhaust here for me. So now, AutoMat, it's time to do your thing. I figured while I was here, I'll work on my bike seat. That's for the Marlboro bike. Gotta take a little off. I'm in the process of putting electric cutouts on the car. I like to put my hole at the biggest point at the collector. So I got my hole here, I got to cut the angle, get the right angle, and basically it's gonna look like that. So when I pull into coffee cars and bikes, I hit the switch and the headers open up. Loud. Hey Tim, I got some badass tires for a badass Chevelle. 15.5 inches wide, 14-inch deep dish. Look at these guys at AutoMat. What a great job they did. Awesome, as usual. My 70 Chevelle is finished. Whoa. With my Mighty Mouse, I'm back in the 70 Chevelle. Remember when this was gutted? Waiting for a new interior. I'm sitting on a cushion. Look at this white pearl interior. White headliner, white console with Elvis Presley's TCB. Even my A-pillars are chrome. And don't forget, my red rugs. As you know, I name all my cars, and this is the Chevelle from hell. So I named it Chevelle. And my LS6 motor, so LS6 SS. I want to check out the trunk for the first time. Wow. My floor mats, the Italian bad boy. That's me. As you can tell, look at that wheel. Now that's badass. I put my name on all my cars. Chuck Zito. When you see it, it means don't touch it, or else. Let's see how this thing looks all lit up. They put my Hollywood lights on. Holy shit. Unbelievable.
All right, Chuck, we did it. Yeah, man.
Awesome, Tim. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you remember when we went to that car show and we had about 4 Chevelles pulled in front of us?
Absolutely.
And they all looked the same. They were nice, but all the same.
Yeah,
and what'd you say?
With white stripes, and I said it's time to change my car.
Different from everybody else.
Absolutely.
So it's pretty cool. You had a fantastic vision, and we made it happen.
Yeah. AutoMat, your one-stop shop.
That's us.
Where they produce miracles here. And this is the AutoMat crew that made it all possible. Thank you guys. Awesome job. Thank you. Bye-bye. Tim, thank you again for a fantastic job. Unbelievable.
Thank you, Chuck.
Oh, one more thing. Remember I said open headers?